Installing a new door can completely change the look, comfort, and security of your home. Whether you're replacing a front entryway, upgrading interior doors, or adding patio doors, the process requires precision. In St. James, where homes range from charming older builds to modern properties, homeowners often make small but costly errors during door installation. Avoiding these mistakes will not only save money but also ensure your doors function properly and last for years. Choosing the wrong door size. One of the most frequent mistakes is failing to measure accurately. Doors that are too big or too small can lead to gaps, drafts, or the need for expensive adjustments. Relying on old measurements from previous doors can be misleading, especially in older St. James homes where frames may have shifted over time. Always measure the frame multiple times and account for adjustments before purchasing a door. Ignoring local climate conditions. St. James experiences varying weather, from humid summers to chilly winters. Many homeowners forget to consider how these conditions affect door materials. For example, solid wood doors may swell in humid weather, while steel doors can feel cold and may need additional insulation. Choosing a door that suits both the style of your home and the local climate is key to reducing maintenance issues. Poor alignment of the frame. A door that isn't properly aligned during installation can create long-term problems. Misaligned doors stick, drag on floors, or fail to close securely. Sometimes homeowners attempt a DIY installation without realizing that the frame must be square and level before attaching the door. Using a level and shims to ensure the frame is even will prevent alignment headaches later on. Skipping proper insulation and weatherproofing. In St. James, where energy efficiency is a growing concern, neglecting insulation around the door is a costly oversight. Without proper sealing, you risk drafts, higher energy bills, and decreased comfort inside your home. Always use weather stripping and high-quality sealants to ensure the door is energy efficient and airtight. Using the wrong hardware. Another common mistake is choosing hardware that doesn't match the weight or design of the door. Lightweight hinges on a heavy entry door, for example, can wear out quickly or cause the door to sag. Investing in durable locks, hinges, and handles not only supports the door's function but also boosts security, a must for families in St. James who want peace of mind. Rushing the installation. Door installation isn't just about getting the door into the frame. It requires patience to ensure every detail, from trimming the frame to securing the hardware, is handled correctly. Rushing the job often leads to uneven fits, loose hinges, or visible gaps. Taking the time to follow each step carefully, or hiring a professional, ensures a clean, reliable finish. Overlooking professional help. While DIY projects can save money, door installation often requires expertise. Mistakes in measurement, alignment, or sealing can lead to costly repairs. In St. James, many homeowners rely on professional installers who know how to navigate older homes, tricky frames, and custom fits. Hiring a professional ensures the job is done right the first time and protects your investment. Final thoughts. Installing a door may seem straightforward, but the details make all the difference. By avoiding these common mistakes, such as mismeasuring, skipping insulation, or choosing the wrong hardware, you can enjoy a door that looks beautiful, functions smoothly, and stands up to the St. James climate. If you're unsure about tackling the project yourself, don't hesitate to bring in local professionals who understand the unique challenges of homes in the area. A properly installed door isn't just an entryway, it's an investment in your home's comfort, security, and value.